With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Okay, so the given question here we have is if x belongs to 0 to 2 pi interval, then the number of solutions, okay, of the equation 81 sine square x plus 81 cos square x equals what? 30. This is what we have to find out, the number of solutions or the number of possible values of x within the given range here we have. So first of all, I can write here, this is what my solution part here. Okay, so it says that in the given question here that my 81 having the power of what? Sine square x plus of what? 81 cos square x, this is equals to what? 30 as given to me in the question. Now we know that sine square x or cos square x, since we know that sine square x plus of what? Cos square x equals to what? 1. So in that case I can write this equation here. This will become now 81 sine square x will remain same as it is, 81 sine square x plus of what? 81. I can write here this cos square x as 1 minus sine square x, right? No confusion here I have. This is equals to what? 30. So after moving further, I can write this 81 1 minus sine square x. I can write this one as same as it is for now, sine square x plus of what? 81, right? 81 having the power of 1 and divide by 81 having the power of what? Sine square x, right? Because there is a 1 minus sine square x, so 1 minus sine square x can be done as what? Having the power of 81 sine square x. Just let me write down here correctly, sine square x here. This is equals to what? 30. So now if I take the LCM here of 81 sine square x, so this we are going to receive as, this one will become basically my 81. I can also write here 81. Okay, just let me put it, this is a power, so just remember to write this here, sine square x and having the power of what? Whole square. Okay, plus of what? 81. And if I put this part on the RHS side here, this 81 here, so this will become what? 30 times of what? 81 having the power of sine square x. Now we are going to take a little substitution here. I can write 81 sine square x as what? 81 having the power of what? Sine square x equals to what? Y. So let's suppose this is one substitution here. So to simplify this equation, this will become what now? This will become y square. The y square exactly plus 81 equals what? 30 times of what? Y. Okay. So now if I write this equation here, y square minus of 30y plus of what? 81. Okay. So if I have to solve this equation further, I can take this as what? I can write this in the function of what? 27 and 3. So this will be y square minus of 27 minus of 3y, 27y minus of 3y plus 81 equals 0. Using middle term splitting, you guys know very well. So now I can take y common. So y minus what? 27. Here if I take minus 3 common, so this will be y minus 27 again equals to what? 0. So from this we are going to receive the value for y equals to what? Okay, so y minus 3 first we have, and y what? Y minus 27 equals to 0. These two values we are going to receive. So from this we are going to receive the value for y minus 3 equals to what? 0, right? Or we can directly say that here we are going to receive the value y minus 3 equals to what? 0, and y minus 27 equals to what? 0. Okay, so from this y equals to what? Y equals to my 3 and y equals to what? 27. Okay, so possible two solutions for y we are having, right? Y equals to what? 3 and y equals to what? 27. So now we know that what is the value of y we have substituted before? 81 sine square x. So I can write here that this will become 81 sine square what? X. This is equals to what? 3. So this 81 sine square x can be done as what? This can be done as 3 to the power 4, right? 3 to the power 4, and there I have sine square x. This is equals to what? 3 to the power 1 here we are having. And also we can say that this part will become what now? This will become, if I remove these 3 constants, we just compare the power here, so this will become now 4 sine square x equals to what? 1. Now similarly, if I move to this part, this can be done as what again? 81 sine square x, okay, equals to what? 27. Again this can be done as what? 81 can be done as what? 3 to the power 4 sine square x. This is equals to 27. 3 is the power of 3, right? We know it. So 3 is the power of what? 3. So now I can compare the power here. So this will become what? This will become 4 sine square x equals to what? 3. So now moving further, this can be done as what? Sine square value we are going to receive is what? Sine square value will be 1 by 4. Okay, so from this sine x value, my sine x value will be what? Plus minus of 1 by 2. This should minus also of plus minus of 1 by 2 here we have. And this, from this we are going to receive the value as what? Sine square x equals to what? 3 by 4. So from this sine x value we are going to receive is what? Sine x value will be plus minus of what? Root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2. So these are the values of sine we are having right now. So what we have to do now? We have to find the possible values for this x values which are possible basically for this function. First one is this one, and the other one is what? This one. We have positive and negative, both values are considering here. So this, okay, so let's solve for this. Sine x equals to what? Plus minus 2. So first of all we will consider sine x equals what? 1 by 2. Positive of 1 by 2. Okay, so in that case x will become what? So x will give me the value of plus 1 by 2 at what? Pi by 6, at pi by 6, or we can say pi minus of pi by 6. or we can say what, pi minus pi by 6, pi minus of what, pi by 6, which is equals to what, 5 pi by 6, I can say. So these are the values for sin x what, positive of 1 by 2, and similarly for sin x of what, minus of 1 by 2. Why I'm also considering this case? Because question here says that we have to find the range values from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so after this, so sin x equals what, minus of 2. So in that case, this will become what, this will clearly become x is what, negative of pi by 2 at the point of what, pi plus pi by 6. So first of all is what, pi plus pi by 6, or we can say that here this will become pi plus pi by 6. Value is what, 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6. Also x is equal to what, I can say that pi minus, sorry, 2 pi minus of what, pi by 6. So this will become what, 12 pi minus pi, 11 pi by 6. So 11 pi by 6, these are the values we are receiving what, negative values here. So after this I'll find the values for here. I can find the value for sin x equals to what, plus of 3 by 2. So sin x equals to plus of root 3 by 2. So we will receive the positive values from the interval when, okay, when x equals to what, when basically my x equals to pi by 3, which we know it already. So pi by 3, another one is what, pi minus of pi by 3, pi minus theta. So pi minus pi by 3 is what, basically 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. Similarly for sin x equals to what, negative of root 3 by 2. So negative of root 3 by 2, we are going to receive the value of what, exactly x equals to what, pi plus pi by 3 again. So pi plus pi by 3, this is equals to what, 4 pi by 3, right? No confusion here I have. And the other one is what, other one is basically my 2 pi minus of pi by 3, which is equals to what, I'm going to do, you guys, 5 pi by 3, right? 5 pi by 3. So now I have how many solutions of possible values of x we are receiving? So basically we are receiving the x values as what, pi by 6, first one, another one is what, 5 pi by 6, next one is what, 7 pi by 6, and then one is what, 11 pi by 6, and after this, for this case, we have pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, and another one is what, 4 pi by 3, and last one is what, 5 pi by 3. So how many number of solutions we are possible for x? So right now I can say that there are 8 number possible. So number of solutions, number of what, solutions of this equation, for x are basically equals to what, 8. So basically this is the answer we are looking for. So 8 is the number of solutions we are looking for, right?
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.